Good morning vlog. Welcome back to another it's not really gonna be a travel vlog, but welcome back to another video. This week is very exciting because on Thursday we are leaving for Europe. We're actually going to be going to Albania. We're going to spend 10 days there, so I'm super excited for that. But this video is going to be a little bit different because this one is not really going to be a travel vlog. It's more going to be like a couple days in my life getting ready for that trip. So today is Monday and we are leaving on Thursday night. Today the main thing that we have to do is a shit ton of laundry. So, you know, just come spend the week with me getting ready to go on this trip.
I thought it was better to wallow.
And now I'm heading to the grocery store to do the groceries one more time before we leave. My mom is coming over for dinner also tonight, so I need to get a few things for that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So nothing super interesting, but hopefully tomorrow is going to be a little bit more interesting, a little bit more fun as we get closer to departure. So I shall see you guys tomorrow. Good morning vlog. It's now Tuesday. Yeah, so Tuesday morning, so I am currently working, but I thought I would take a little break. But today, the plan for today is I want to start packing, and I also okay, and another thing that I want to do today for the trip is I want to do my toenails. So I'm currently hesitant a little bit about the color that I want to do. I think I want to do something neutral-ish, but I'm not too sure. So I'm hesitating basically between these 5 colors. I could go with just the classic white because white toes are always cute. I'm thinking maybe going a little crazy and doing like a bright red just because my hands, I'm going to do them a little bit more neutral. Or I stick to the neutrals and I still have these 3 colors that I'm not sure. So this one is really close to my skin color, like a really nude color. This would be like a light pink or a still light pink, just a little bit darker. So I'm not too sure yet. Okay, so just got back from dinner and it is officially time for packing. So Alexander brought the suitcases home. So I think I'm gonna pack my own stuff tonight, and then if I have time, I'll pack his. But yeah, so let's get to packing. This is the exciting part. This is like my favorite part of like the pre-trip. Let's do this. Let's get to packing. Okay, so we are going to be gone only for 10 days. So I am gonna pack probably around 10 outfits. What I like to do when I pack is I like to actually pack outfits and not just random pieces of clothing, because I used to do random pieces of clothing, but then what happens is you just end up bringing a shit ton of stuff and you still have nothing to wear because nothing kind of fits together. So now when I pack, I like to really pack, like I said, outfits. Let's get started. Today is Wednesday morning. The camera died, I think, last night as I was packing. So I pretty much finished packing last night. So I packed all of like my clothing and I pretty much packed most of Alexander's clothing as well. We're not fully packed yet, but we're almost there. And today is an exciting day because today, well, first of all, it's very exciting because we're leaving tomorrow. But yeah, today's an exciting day because today we are getting the nails done. Amy's also going to come over because she's coming with me to get also her nails done. So that's going to be fun. And another somewhat exciting thing that is happening today is that I'm going to give back Ryan. Enough with the rental car. I'm ready to get my own car back. Hopefully, when we come back from this trip, my own car is going to be ready, but there's no point in me keeping the rental for the 10 days that we're going to be gone. So we are going to say bye to Ryan today. We're going to say bye to these pink nails, and I think that's pretty much it for today. Now it's time for work. I still have a full day of work ahead of me. Hello, party people. Another work day done. I'm actually on my way to give back Ryan. So this is our last ride together. I honestly cannot wait to get my Jeep back. And then we are going to get our nails done. I took off the pink that I had on, so very excited because now these are all my natural nails, but obviously when there's nothing on them, they look a little bit crusty dusty. This is the official before, and we'll see what it looks like after. Good morning, vlog. Today is the day. We are leaving tonight. So I just finished my last meeting before we have to go. Oh, I forgot to show my nails yesterday. Here they are. So I ended up going with just a very natural kind of like ombre kind of look. Today is going to be like the final prep for the trip, and we are leaving tonight. Our flight leaves at 9 p.m. All right, let's go get that work day over with, and then all the fun stuff. We're gonna walk around, we're gonna visit some churches, we're gonna get some food, and then we go to Albania.
We went to go eat a pizza.
So yeah, we went for lunch because we were two very hungry boys, and now we're two very tired boys. So we're gonna walk around to wake up a little bit. Okay, vlog, so quick little recap. We landed in Munich this morning at around 10:30. By the time we got to the city, it was noon here, which is like 6 a.m. Montreal time. So yeah, so we got into the city, it was around noon. We walked around Mariensplatz a little bit, but then we got very, very hungry, so we decided to go and have lunch. And now this afternoon we've just been walking around. We went back to Marienplatz. We saw St. Peter's Church. We saw the residence. We saw a bunch of the like main Munich attractions, and we still have a good like 3 hours in the city before we have to head back to the airport. So yeah, so far so good. Alrighty friends, we are done in München, direction Albanie.
Bye.